day 40 of me getting fired and trying to become a full-time blacksmith. We got chickens. So today's gonna be a little different. This is like, so it's Sunday. I didn't fire up the forge or anything. I'm kind of thinking about like every Sunday kind of doing like a weekly recap. This is a little more than the week though, but a little update. We got these 4 ready for heat treat. So yeah, look at that. Look at that. 4 knives. And we're currently at halfway done on this one. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'll get this finished up hopefully tomorrow, depending on the weather, because it's also been raining all day. But yeah, say hi to the chickens. That's gonna be it. If you guys could poke the like button and leave a nice little comment down below, I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, adios.